Hi everyone, I am Fiona. In this video, we will have our technician demonstrate how to remove the printheads. Now we begin removing the printheads. First, remove the fixing screws of the printhead. The installation process follows the same steps in reverse. We are now removing the black printhead. After removing the printhead, place a lint-free cloth underneath to prevent damage. Start by disconnecting the ink tubes. Followed by the blue printhead. Continue in sequence until all printheads have been removed. Then remove each printhead one by one. For more information about the EPS machine and EPS mold, please contact us by email or mobile phone. We will be happy to answer your questions. See you in the next video.